Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can finish the chest puzzle on Fish. So I've actually done it and forgot to record it, but you are going to just press E on the statues until they have a green line. It's going to be different for every single player, so just press E. From the back you're going to move it forward, and from the front you're going to move it backwards. Obviously it's going to be different. You only have like a minute to do this, so make sure you go super quick in completing this chest puzzle. I was confused as well at first. I thought you just only had to move it till the end, but you need to either put it like in these 4 spots until they turn green, and then you're going to do that for all of it until all of them turns green, and it's going to open the calm zone or the other zone. I don't remember. I think it opens up the portal to fight the boss. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.